guys, it is Paige here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. And like I said in my last video, I am going to show you guys my bedroom. So today's video is going to be a bedroom tour. Not a lot to say in that, and so let's not make this video any longer than it should be. So let's get this started. So before we start, my computer is out here for the moment because it's connected to my TV. But yes, there's that. But here is the door. We put this wallpaper kind of thing, kind of like from the doctor's office. So when you walk in or walk past, my dog won't stop barking like a maniac at 2 o'clock in the morning when my mom walks by. But you walk in, and this is what you see at first is my bed and everything. I have my dream catcher there. There is my lamp. My mom actually made that with her boyfriend. And then I actually have 3 fake lamps there. And then on this side, I have my wolf picture. If you haven't told, I love wolf. And then I just have these 3 little circle things. So here's my bed. Let's go to the side table. On this side table, I have my lamp, the diffuser that to make my room smell good. And then here are the main things that I have on my side table over here, which is the book that I'm reading at the moment, and then my 2 notebooks, and then my notebook that I write down all of my hours on, and then my keys for work, and then my little ornament that my best friend made from her son, my pen, a charger, and then a chocolate that my mom's boyfriend gave for Easter. And then on here is just random storage, which I don't feel like taking out. Then let's go on this side up. I just have another lamp, which my mom's going to change, I believe. And then my GPS speaker, random sunglasses, and then this remote is just for this, which isn't up yet, which is I'm going to turn on to show you guys. There's the light, but we haven't put it up yet. And then I leave my yoga mat here. And then on this side, so on this side of the door when we walk in is just, we're going to hang these up, not quite sure yet, but I have this little wing, like hanging thing where I'm going to put my jackets. And then I have this used to be on my door on my last bedroom, but this doesn't really can't go on there because it won't close. But I just have my hats, my everyday purse. This bucket here, I have all of my bags and my belts that I have that I use for like school bags, work bags, and everything. Here is my mirror, which has all of my jewelry, which has not changed. My earrings, necklaces, bracelets, and all that. Then you come over here, which is my makeup desk. And above my makeup desk is my TV. So my makeup desk, there's not a lot has changed. Besides, yes, I changed my chair. Here's my old bench. We decided to put that there in front of my bed because it looked a lot better, I feel like. But so my mom gave me this couch, and I just put this little thing on. But nothing has changed a lot with my makeup desk, but I'll show you guys anyways. So here, of course, the table with the remote, of course. This little thing is just for random stuff and everything. And then here on this drawer is just my makeup brushes. And on this drawer is just where I put my blushes, my bronzer, and my contour. And then from this side, decided to put my pens here just in case if I'm doing work for school and everything. Little memory boxes and everything. On this first box, I have my setting spray and my makeup for my eyebrows. And on the second box, it's just random perfumes testers. And then I have my candles, and then the perfume for the infusers and stuff like that. Come over here is I have the little ring that my uncle did, which I'll try to show you. Up there's that. And then you have my perfume. So I have this little thing for my to hold my perfume. And then my little mirror. I forgot my little mirror with my light. So we decided to stick the mirror and the lamp against the wall. And then on the side I just have random jewelry that doesn't really go in my mirror thing that I just showed you earlier. And then here I have my agenda and then my paperbooks to make sure I got paid the right amount at the moment due to COVID. And then on this box I have all of my foundation and powders and stuff like that. Then put that back. On this first drawer I just have my lipstick. Then the second drawer I have my eyeliner. Then my shadows. Then my mascara. Then I have my concealers. Now moving on to my wonderful closet. So this is new. We just got the curtains here because of that little circle thing with the lights. But I have my exercise ball, which I'm going to move in a second. This is what my closet looks like. I have up a picture, which right here I'm not going to show the faces, but it is of my brother and his fiance. That's up there. And then on this little box, I just have random things that didn't fit on the hangers because I had no room or no more hangers or anything like that. Then this little drawer thing is where I usually put my workout clothes. So you have my leggings, then you have my t-shirts, and then I usually add my sweaters here. On this little area is just random slippers and blankets that I'm not using on my bed at the moment. Up. Move this. Then you come in the closet. So on here, let me explain on the top, and then I work on the bottom. So on top there is just random decorations, my hats and my scarves, random pictures, nail polish and everything. And that's just 4 of my winter scarves. Then here you have my hat there, my books, that's over there. I love reading, if you haven't tell. Just little decoration, little thing. All my knives that I need for school. And then let me go into details. So during the night, if you're wondering, I do have a light, so I just turn this on. The lights come on, I turn it off, and it's off. And then, so on this corner is all my tank tops. I have to be careful so it won't fall. And then here is my t-shirts on this side. This is all of my, so this is kind of like for a workout or for my kitchen t-shirts for school and everything that I need to wear. This is all of my shorts for the summer. And then come down here, you come to my pajamas. So this is just random pajamas. These are pajamas kind of like that go together, a pair of pajamas, and then my onesies, and then my dress pajamas. On this side, these 2 boxes here are just random storage. Then you come, if you haven't noticed, I love sweaters, so this I have a lot of places for my sweaters, as you see. So this is size my sweater, sweaters, 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 some money, which is if you want 1 cent, it's for you. But sweater, sweater, and sweater. Then you come down and you have all of my pants. So these are my pants from black to dark jean, to dark to light jeans. Here is just kind of like a soft, nice fabrics from black to white. And here are just my sweatpants. So there's that. Then you come up right here And all of this is, I have my jean jackets there, all my dresses on top, and my jumpers. And then here is just all my t-shirts that I couldn't afford, so like my blazer, random coats, my blazers, my nice blouses and everything. So there's that. Up. But anyway guys, I think that will be it for my room tour. Not a lot to show. My bedroom is definitely a lot smaller from my last apartment. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I upload a new video every Sunday. Yes, I made a date. I'm going to upload every Sunday. I'm going to try. No promises, but I do upload every week. And don't forget to hit the little bell button when you subscribe, when you hit the subscribe, because that will help you to get notified when I upload a new video. Don't forget to follow all of my social media, which will be somewhere on the screen or down below in the description box. And I'll see you in my next video.